Hi, my dear brother. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and listening to me. So, I feel like you are somewhere in your 20s. Myself is Naveen, and I am the person who failed in college because of English language. Today, I'm comfortable to speak in that language, and I'm guiding a lot of people to improve their communication skills, especially in English language. I would like to share my story so that whenever you feel like English is difficult, I couldn't able to speak English, and if you are thinking about to give up on your English, it will become much more inspiration. I know that I'm making a lot of mistakes, but I really don't care about that mistakes because I speak Kannada language. I don't, or anyone who listen to it, they don't speak poetry Kannada or writing Kannada, like novels, like they will speak like novels. The people speak normal Kannada. They'll add up more, a lot of English words in it, Telugu words in it, and still they'll communicate. That is not a problem. So you are in that journey. You're learning English as you wanna speak like a news reporter, you wanna speak like native person, or you wanna speak like written English. That is not at all possible. And please make sure that you are not comparing yourself with anybody. And these are my tips. Okay, what do you have to do on everyday basis? There are a lot of people like me on internet making a lot of content on English. Please do watch that content. Make a time at least 30 minutes each and every day to listen to English. That's where your consciously or unconsciously your vocabulary will going to build in your mind, and you will be familiarized with those words. To listen, you will listen those words. Okay. Second, there are a lot of AI tools are there. What you have to do is you just pick any AI tool. It can be Gemini, it can be ChatGPT, or it can be anything. You just speaking with that. Okay, speak with Gemini, speak with ChatGPT, or any other tools. Because you don't, nowadays learning English language became much more easier. You don't need any person. You just need a device and which has an internet connection. And you need you have already a speaking partner, and the best part is it will understand your language, your native language, and it can translate for you. And even though if you make a lot of mistakes, that will not going to, just like your relatives or just like your friends, that will not going to insult you. Instead of that, like a teacher, like a person who is learning just like English, who is learning language, so that will support you. That is the best way. In 2025, somebody is learning English, that's the best way. Third, if you already know writing, that's great. Please practice your thoughts in a writing. And fourth, very important tip, just like this, record a video. The moment you record a video, you have a solid evidence to showcase how you are speaking, how your pronunciation is, how is your expressions when you are speaking. So everything you will get. So when you record yourself, and after recording, what you have to do is there are many platforms on internet where you upload your video, then you will get transcript in English language. There you can identify if you are making any patterns, mistakes in the patterns. Maybe it can be grammatical mistake. In my example, in the previous videos, I used to speak like this phrase called "can you able." That's wrong actually. Can is all about able. Then I no need to add "can you able." I can simply say, "Can you do it? Are you able to do it?" So those are the mistakes I identified with the help of record and review method. And the fifth one, be consistent. Because language take time. For me personally, it took 5 years to feel the confidence to speak in English, even though if I'm making mistakes. Okay, please get inspiration from your home. There are many children will be there in your home, like 3 years, 4 years old, and they did not have much exposure to languages. By just watching cartoons or watching movies in the certain language, they will be getting that. Okay, they will be comfortable to speak in that language. And in fact, the children learn the language what we speak in home, right? If you're speaking Telugu, the child will speak in Telugu. If you're people from Hindi community, they will learn Hindi. The Kannada community, they will learn Kannada. That's how the people, the small kids will learn the language. They'll take only 3 years to learn the language, because they listen a lot and they try actually. And because they're consistently listening to the elders in their family. And second, they are not afraid of making mistakes. That is the key. You should not afraid of making mistakes. Be open, possible, upload your videos on internet, get a lot of feedback from them. I get a lot of feedback, and people are there who want to listen your stories, who want to encourage you in a journey. So if you're somebody who is watching this video till now, please like this video, because that's some motivation I'll get to speak in front of public. Definitely I'll practice English when I'm alone. Whenever I get an opportunity, I'll speak in English for sure. That's how my practice works. But if you're somebody watching my video on internet, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. So that gives motivation, and it's kind of you're showing love and support. I want your love and support. So thank you so much for listening this. Please make sure that you practice English every day, record yourself and review, and if possible, please upload your videos on internet. Please, that will give you the confidence which you needed. So you'll come out of from that comfort zone, and you will start growing in your life. So thank you so much. That's your brother Naveen signing off. See you in the next video.